Okay, well, welcome again. We're there. We are on Park Lane. You understand? And this is a Ferrari shop. So Ferrari is there. Vintage engineer for real drivers. Okay, so we're there at the Ferrari place. Aston Martin and Ferrari. So DB12, Aston Martin. That's a truck. This is the car. Can't see the price. Can we see the prices? Can't see the prices. This is something like what? 42,000. Something like that. Okay, so where we're at now, people, we are at a place called Marble Arch. So we're walking on the famous Park Lane. Yeah. As you can see now, the glass case them pure Aston Martin in them. Yeah, that is a green one. They will notice it. That one is a green one in this there. It's a coupe. Yeah, James Bond car them. Aston Martin. Vintage. You come out of them places, sometimes if you're not careful, you see all plane a drive on. If you're not careful, you see all plane a drive on the road instead of fly. Because everybody wants to have a fast car or make noise. Everybody wants to have a fast car or make noise. But me as a man, I'm not that. I love my Lexus them because you know why I love Lexus? Them quiet, very, 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 very quiet. That's why I always love my Lexus. Well, them make Lexus a make nice now. You understand? But me I tell you, say, the Lexus them I used to drive, them used to be very, very quiet, man. Don't follow me, you know, lady. Don't follow me and cross the street, you know. Me a madman. Don't follow me. Watch ya, no? Watch ya. Watch ya. You see them with them fast car in Lamborghini, more mash up already, you know. You hear him with it there? I nearly mashed up in the side of the bus. Okay. If I hear them talk about Marble Arch, that's it right there, the famous Marble Arch. That's it right there in front of you. I don't know why them cover it up. It seems like they might do some work on it or something. But when you hear about Marble Arch, that is it. That is it. That's how it look after the cover, before the cover go on, but the cover gone on it. So you know, so they might do some structural work on it. It's been going on for quite a while still. So basically that's how they are showing you how it look. How it gonna look when them finish cleaning it up and stuff. So this is Marble Arch we are at. What are we doing to conserve Marble Arch? There's pictures of it right here. Yeah, you see it? Let me show you. Cause it make out a marble, don't it? That's it there. That's the arch itself. So let me show you the damage. See the damage there? So let me fix there. Cracks. Let me fix them cracks step on it. Cracks and chips. See them? So it make out a marble. So the marble look like it a fall apart. So they are fixing the marble because it's falling apart. So they are showing you pictures of it. So basically they're just showing you why it's under construction. Yeah? Why it's been on there. This is a picture of it, how it look before it go under construction. Yeah, because I used to drive bus out here, so this is what I used to see. Marble Arch. But now it's under construction, so yeah. We are cleaning, conserving and repairing this iconic monument. Now almost 200-year-old, the arch is in need of conservation work across its exterior. We have installed scaffolding to allow our conservator to get to the hard part. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm telling you. Yeah, so this is the Marble Arch and they are doing some repair. It's over 200 years old. 200 years old. Well, if something at 200 years old, it not really need repair, man. Yeah. Okay, so as we continue going by the famous Marble Arch here, we're going to continue on. We are coming on to Oxford Street. This is Oxford Street. As you can see, all of the Christmas frilly is all up in the air, but we still there Marble Arch. You understand? We're still there Marble Arch. And the work. They are showing you the work that has been done. So, yeah. So now we are going along we are going along the famous Oxford Street in a minute. We are already on it anyway. Watch them two here. Yeah, so there we go with Marble Arch. So see the sign on the wall. Oxford Street, West 1. Okay, let's cross and go up a little bit. We're not staying too long. So Marble Arch train station, we're not going down inside because you have to go down, right? So we're not going down.